So the first thing you're going to want to do is take 3 pieces right up here just at the front, and we're just going to braid them one time. And then on the side here, leaving pieces that you want to leave in the front, you're just going to leave that in the front, and then pull the rest of our hair all the way towards the back and braid that in. And on this side, again, doing the same thing, we're going to leave pieces that we want in the front, and we're just going to pull a section, and we're going to stop once we hit the back of our head. We don't want to bring it all the way to the back. And then for the top of the head, we're just going to gently pull that out until it's a little bit loose on the top. So not too loose that it falls out, but loose enough that you can style it how you want. And then for the side, the bottom pieces, we're going to pull those out. And then the front pieces, you'll just take and style those however you want. And that's how we get that look. Super simple, super easy to do, and I think it's pretty cute. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.